2025, the year you decide to step into a stronger version of yourself, begins with one simple habit: everyday boxing exercise, a routine so powerful that it can transform your body, mind, and confidence faster than you imagine. Everyday boxing exercise is not just a workout, it is a lifestyle. Every punch you throw builds strength, every jab sharpens focus, every footstep increases stamina, and every minute of practice brings you closer to the disciplined version of yourself. Imagine waking up each morning with a fire inside, knowing that the first thing you conquer is your boxing routine. You stand firm, you raise your fists, and you start with the basics: the jab, the cross, the hook, the uppercut. Each movement controlled, each action meaningful. Your body warms up, your heart rate rises, your muscles wake with energy, and your mind shifts into fighter mode. Everyday boxing exercise pushes you through intensity that shapes your core, tightens your shoulders, builds explosive legs, and sculpts a powerful back. You begin with shadow boxing, moving your body through the air, imagining an opponent in front of you, testing your reflexes, sharpening your coordination, and building speed. Shadow boxing alone becomes a full-body workout, strengthening everything from your calves to your fingertips. You transition to footwork drills, stepping forward, stepping back, sliding side to side, learning how real fighters move, learning how balance and stability form the foundation of every fight. Everyday repetition trains your legs to never give up, never slow down, never collapse under pressure. Next comes punching combinations: the jab, cross, hook, repeated again and again until your arms feel the burn, until your shoulders grow stronger, until your punches snap with speed and precision. This repetition builds muscle memory, turning every movement into instinct. Everyday boxing exercise trains more than your muscles, it trains your discipline. When you feel tired, you push; when you shake, you continue; when you want to quit, you keep punching, because boxing teaches you to fight not only opponents but also your own limits. Your endurance grows each day as your heart becomes stronger, your lungs capacity increases, and your stamina builds. You start to notice changes in your daily life. Climbing stairs becomes easier, carrying weight feels lighter, and even your posture improves. Boxing sharpens your mind too. It teaches you to react fast, to think quickly, to focus deeply, and to stay present in every moment. Boxing is meditation with movement, the combination of rhythm and power, the blend of speed and control, the harmony of mind and body. Acting as one, day by day you become more confident, not because you fight others but because you conquer yourself. Every morning, every afternoon, every night you train, you box, you grow, your self-confidence rises because you know you are building yourself from inside out. You learn discipline, you learn consistency, you learn patience, you learn that transformation is not a single moment but thousands of small actions stacking together. Everyday boxing exercise becomes a mirror showing you the strongest version of who you can be. Your body begins to show definition, your shoulders broaden, your arms tighten, your core becomes firmer, your back becomes stronger, your waist becomes sharper. Every punch burns calories, every combination melts fat, every round reshapes your physique. As you continue, you start mixing advanced moves, slipping, ducking, rolling, weaving, moving like a real fighter. This not only boosts agility but also trains your mind to stay calm under pressure, to react with intelligence and not with fear. You realize something powerful: boxing is not about violence, it is about control, discipline, fitness, and self-mastery. It is about attacking your weaknesses, blocking your doubts, and delivering knockout blows to your excuses. Everyday boxing exercise turns your routine into a powerful ritual, a ritual that reminds you you are capable, you are strong, you are improving, you are fighting for yourself every day. Whether you train at home, in a small room, in a gym, or even outdoors, boxing adapts to your space and your energy. It requires no expensive equipment, no large area, no complicated setup, just your will to move and your determination to grow. You finish each session drenched in sweat, your breathing heavy, your heart pumping, your muscles burning, yet your spirit calm. You know you have done something meaningful for yourself. You know you are one step closer to your strongest version. Every day you return to your boxing routine because you know consistency is the real champion. Every jab, every step, every drop of sweat shapes your journey. Boxing becomes your guide, transforming your body, strengthening your mind, and waking your spirit. This is your path, this is your discipline, this is your everyday boxing exercise, your daily fight for a better you, your everyday victory over the person you used to be.